Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at question 4 from the 2023 Specialist External Exam Paper 1. Now you would have noticed on the channel I've started splitting up each of the questions into individual videos. This way I can go into a bit more depth on each question, and it also gives you guys a bit of variety in terms of study material. So if you only struggle with certain questions, you can watch those certain videos. The full exam video is still up on YouTube. Link is in the description below. If you need a Specialist External Exam bundle pack, the link is also in the description below, so go get your download. But otherwise, let's get straight into this question here. Now, to answer this question, we need to know that a Leslie matrix looks like this here, okay? So here they give you the age of specific population of a particular species of animal. So here they've got the age groups, the female population, the breeding rate, and the survival rate. And here they ask, what's the Leslie matrix based on this data here, okay? Well, first of all, the survival rates, these guys here for each age group have to go on the diagonal. Now, typically they'll only give you 3 because the last age group is the last age group, meaning they won't make it past that. So the survival rate is 0 there. That's why you've got it typically on the diagonal here, and there's none for that last group there, okay? Now, the female population is not relevant to the Leslie matrix. You would have to write as a separate population matrix, okay? So the initial population matrix would be 94, 82, 37, and then extend that 6, okay? That's not included in the quote-unquote Leslie matrix, okay? Then here, this has F for fertility rate or breeding rate is one of the others, okay? So here they've got 0, 1.3, 0.9, 0.2. So based off this, I have to construct a 4 by 4 matrix on this, okay? So in the first row here, I'm going to have the breeding rate. So for the first age group, it's 0. For the second age group, it's 1.3. For the third, it's 0.9. And for the fourth, it's 0.2. So I'm looking for the matrix that has that in the top row, which is only D at the moment. Now to further go through this as well, the survival rates have to be on the diagonal down here. So underneath that, I would have to have quote-unquote 0.6, 0.8, and then 0.4. And then there'd be zeros everywhere else in this matrix here, which makes sense why D is the correct answer. I'd say it's a pretty easy question. However, if you were constructing this, you would have to know this and construct it like that if it was a short response question. If you're having issues with this one here, you need to look at Leslie matrices a bit more. If you need an external exam bundle pack for specialists, link is in the description below. And if you have any questions about this one, leave it in the comments or send me through an email. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.